Okay friends, today I want to show you how to create passport size photo using Adobe Photoshop. For that I will go to Adobe Photoshop and then I will open the file for which I have to create passport size photo. Okay, now I want to arrange this in some format. How much part you want for your passport size photo you can select from here. I want to select this much and then I will do okay and then go to edit and then use stroke. Okay, and press Ctrl plus T so that it will select whole part and then leave a little small portion so that while taking out photo you can remove, you can cut with the help of scissor. Okay, it is okay now. Now I will do okay and then I will go to file, edit and here define pattern. Now I will define a pattern A B C D and then okay. Now again I will create another create. And then I will fill over here. Go to file and go to edit and then look over here. Here is fill to fill and then select your pattern which you have created. I have created this just now, so I'll select OK and then it will fill the photos. After doing this, you can open this from here and then you can go over file and then go to save. Where you want to save, you have to save to your cloud document or on your computer. I will save this on my computer. I will write is it Raju 112 and I will save in JPG format. Here it is. I will do save. Okay, I will do from here. Okay. Now I will show you where it have gone to my PC. I will minimize this and I will go to my files. So in this picture Raju 112, here it is. This is my passport size photo. So in this way you can also create your passport size photo using Photoshop. Okay, this much for today friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.